I'm gonna be giving you a house tour of the new house. And sorry about my voice, I'm sick right now, which is not a good thing. So I'll give you a house tour, and we'll just get into the house tour, I guess. Okay. So over here, it's like there's like little drawers, and don't know why there's a stroller in there. There's nothing in the top drawer though. It's just like really cute and just like it over. Okay, over here we have this like little swinging chair, and here's this mailbox. Oh gosh. We have this mailbox here with a bunch of like letters in it. Then I have this from the new pack, and I don't even know what it is. Honestly, it looks like an air cleaner thingy. But over there, okay, I kind of took this. Okay, I kind of use the same design as Toca Alice. A little bit of these things, like some of these ideas are from Toca Alice. So this is kind of like, I got some of these ideas, like this area idea from Toca Alice. Here's like little, let's flip. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Okay, let's fix that. Wait, so if you like, wait, it's like not even hung up yet. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, anyways, over here we have the little kids' room. This is the little girl's room, and we have some clothes in here and more clothes. Her backpack. Yeah, that's like her room. I think it's like really cute. So let's go over here. This is like the elevator area. Nothing too busy. The vacuum. I really like this vacuum. Over here, I made this like little shelf with a bunch of like things on it. And here's the baby. Don't mind the baby. We have these curtains here, really pretty. Over here's the kitchen, and I love the kitchen. I think it looks so good and like so cute. And I put everything in these like decorative boxes, cause to make it look less messy, like really cute. So then over here, I have the living room, and oh my gosh, the living room's so cute. And here we have like just a bunch of things. These are the TV. Okay, these are the TV shows, and this is the games. The living room is just so cute. Here are the pets. So cute. Slay. So let's go to the second floor. We have this beautiful picture, and this is the girls' like luggages, but we just didn't have it because it looks a lot better out there than in the room. So over here's the boys' room. It's like really blue. Here's the teenage boy. Slay. His computer, his bag and stuff. Another one of these air thingies because I just find them so cute. Here's his bathroom, really plain. I didn't try too hard on this bathroom. I don't know why because I really didn't care. But I tried really hard on the girls' room here. Like, I really tried. Okay. So, here's her bathroom. I think it looks so cute and looks so good. Over here, yes, this whole setup right here, or like this here, like I took this whole entire like thing here, like right out, like from Toca Alice. So this is also inspired by oh my gosh, I also took this from Toca Alice, and yeah. Over here, there's a picture of her and her bestie. So the girl is the blonde girl. This is her room, and these like new stuffed animals are like so cute. That's her dog, Princess. This is her Stanley. Her bed is so slay. This box, I'm so proud of it. I don't know why. It just literally has a backpack in it. Yeah. Over here we have her clothes and some stuff in there. This is like her sitting area, and I put her paintbrush here because like there's nowhere to put her paintbrush. And we have this like little painting here. It's really cute. Then we have this little egg pillow that I find is so cute. So let's go to the 3rd floor now. Parents' room. It's so slay. I love it. Mom's desk area over here. Yeah, this is also from like Alice. Over here is like her little like clothes and stuff. The parents' bed, little crib, like stuffy. Here we have like a couch. Their bathroom is so slay. They share it with their little daughter. Anyway, so if we go over here now, we have the hallway. And there's like, this is like so cute. Like, oh my god, isn't it? Over here is their like toiletries, and there's this like cool secret thing that continue with at the moment, but okay. Over here, yeah, this is like the little drink stand area. Over here is like, I don't know, like just like a plate with like things and a floaty. It's like a basketball hoop, which I think is find really cool. A little grill right next to the hot tub. You know, why not? It's so smart. It's over here we have like little lights, and I just find it so cute. And that's my house tour, but let me show you the family, the whole entire family, okay? And I'll also show you her friend. Don't mind what she's holding, just clothes. Okay, here's the dad. He's slaying it. Here's the daughter. Here's the brother. Here's the other little daughter. You saw the baby downstairs already, so like I'm not gonna show you that again. Anyways, here's her bestie. Yeah, they are so slay. Anyways, that's all for this video, guys. It was pretty short, but hope you like it. Please watch more and please subscribe. Bye.